Hi, Lindsay here. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell up top for those notifications.
Good afternoon. Hope everyone's doing well. I am going to show you guys how to make some papaya salad, or Tum Mak Hoong as it's called. I have got a lot of requests from you guys about this. A lot of people have asked me if I'll show how to make it. So I'm just going to first get started by going over some of the ingredients. You can find these at the Asian Mart. And then, yeah, we'll go ahead and get started with how you actually make it. So right here I have two different kinds of fish sauce. This is padet and this is regular fish sauce. I have granulated sugar, some cherry tomatoes. I have a mason jar of some MSG. I have a green papaya, which this is papaya, it's just raw, so it's green. I have a lime, some garlic cloves, and I have some Thai peppers. By shredding the green papaya, I'm gonna peel the outer layer of the skin off first, and then we will use this shredder to just shred a bunch of it. I think every Asian house probably has this shredder, Kiwi brand from the Asian Mart. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my shredder that I have right here, and I'm gonna take the green papaya and I'm gonna shred the first layer off of the papaya. It doesn't have to be perfect, there can still be green on there. You just wanna get the majority of it off. So go around the whole thing. So I've been shredding some of that papaya right here now that we took that outer skin layer off and we've gotten to the flesh. I just want to show you guys how I'm doing it. So you're going to start at the top of the papaya and you're going to take your shredder and just do a long stroke along it. And you're going to keep doing that all along it. You don't want to just do it on one side. Just give it a stroke and then turn it. Keep turning it so that you're evenly shredding the papaya. The center of this actually has seeds. Papaya is a fruit. A lot of you know it at the grocery store. It has that kind of pink rose color to it. But when it's raw, it's actually green. So this is a raw green papaya that I bought at the Asian Mart. Like I said, this is one of the ingredients you're gonna have to buy from the Asian store. You can't find this at your local grocery mart. Now that I've shredded that papaya, see I have a big pile here of just shredded papaya. I'll go ahead and show you what the next step is. Now that we have our papaya shredded, the next step in the process is to take your Thai peppers, and yes, I am wearing gloves. These things are extremely hot, and I'm always around kids doing stuff for my children, so I just take extra precautions when I'm handling peppers. And then I also have 3 cloves of garlic right here. So what I'm gonna start by doing is removing the stems and stuff on the Thai peppers, and then I'm gonna throw those into my mortar right here, and we're gonna start smashing. We're gonna start smashing those Thai peppers. Our peppers are all smashed. Now I've added in my garlic, and I'm gonna do the same thing. So one thing I did want to warn you guys, I don't know if any of you are familiar with the pestle and mortar, but you don't want to stand over this while you're smashing it. See all those pepper seeds? Yeah, those will end right up in your eyes. You do want to give some distance back when you're smashing so you do not end up with that in your face, because it will not be fun. So here we have our smashed garlic and our Thai peppers. And now we are going to add in some of that papaya. And then I'm just going to kind of smash that around for a second. You need a spoon too during this process to help you mix it. Now that we have our papaya in the mortar and the pestle, I have already sliced up my lime, and now I'm going to cut my cherry tomatoes. Now that I have my papaya inside there with my crushed garlic and Thai peppers, I am just going to add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. So there's 1. There's 2. Next, we're gonna add in a couple tablespoons of sugar. So I'll start with just a tablespoon and a half, almost 2. And then I'm also gonna add in some MSG. And I'm gonna take my lime and squirt that in there. And then you have to pound all this together. I'm gonna add in the padet last and put in the cherry tomatoes after I kind of smash this around a little bit. Show you the next step. If you have any cuts on your hands, be sure to put gloves on because this is no joke. The lime juice and those Thai peppers will get you. Now that I've added all that in, I'm just gonna start dropping those cherry tomatoes I sliced up. And I'm gonna smash this all around, get it incorporated really well, and then I'm gonna add in that padette. I do think I'm gonna need a little bit more fish sauce too. It's seeming kind of dry, but let me just see what happens. Just roll with it for a minute. Now that we've added in the regular fish sauce, I'm gonna add this padette. And then I'm gonna repeat the process, smash that around and mix it around. And that is what gives it that authentic flavor. You can make it without the padette. You can just use the fish sauce. But most Asians, they really prefer the padette. So I've learned my husband's culture really likes their padette. So yeah. And there you have it. Tum Mak Hoong. I'll get a bowl and pour it into there. But here you have it. Look how pretty. So much colors. It's beautiful. Papaya salad into this white bowl I've placed right here. Scrape the inside of this and get all those goodies. We want it all. And there you have it. Tum Mak Hoong.